I am a money magnet. Money is drawn to me. I am attracting money at this very moment. The money I contribute always comes back to me multiplied. Everything I touch turns into gold. I am ready and able to receive unexpected money. Money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. I deserve to make more money. I am open and receptive to all wealth life brings me. My actions create constant prosperity. I constantly discover new sources of income. I welcome an unlimited source of income and wealth into my life. I release all negative energy over money. I constantly attract opportunities that create more money. Wealth constantly flows into my life. I use money to improve my life. I have more than enough money. My income is growing higher and higher. I am an excellent money manager. I attract money happily in my life. Money is abundant to me. I attract money easily and effortlessly. I use money to improve the lives of others. I attract money beyond my wildest dreams. Money is the root of joy and comfort. My money works hard for me to make me more and more money. I am the master of my wealth. I am able to handle large sums of money. Money creates a positive impact on my life and the life of others. I am at peace with having a lot of money. I can handle massive success with ease. Money expands my life's opportunities. I am becoming more and more prosperous every day. I deserve abundance and prosperity. I attract enough passive income to pay for the lifestyle I want. I believe money is important. Money is energy, so money is good. I know that money is freedom. I get rich doing what I love. The universe will always serve my best interests. I am grateful for all the money I have now. I have a positive money mindset. Attracting money comes easily to me. I deserve to be rich. I am financially free. I add value to other people's lives. The more value I contribute, the more money I will make. I am debt-free because money is constantly flowing into my life. I am open to receiving money in my life. The more I focus on joy, the more money I will make. I always have enough money to fulfill my needs. My capacity to hold and grow money expands every day. I am grateful that I can contribute my money to the economy. I am happy to pay my bills for all that they provide me. The money I spend and earn makes me happy. I love money, and money loves me. The universe provides enough money for everyone. I always have more money coming in than going out. I deserve money in my life. My income is always greater than my expenses. I am grateful for all that money brings me. I enjoy managing and investing my money. Money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. I always have enough money. I attract money to give to others. Money is energy, and it flows into my life constantly. I let go of all my limiting beliefs around money. I let go of all my fears around money. My net worth is increasing. Money flows to me in expected and unexpected ways. My finances improve beyond anything I could ever imagine. I have the power to attract wealth and money into my life. I know anyone can be wealthy, including me. Every day, I choose money and wealth. All the money I have brings me joy. Money is abundant and I attract it naturally. I am happy where I currently am. Money is unlimited and my prosperity is unlimited. I am worthy of a wealthy life. I love my abundant and positive life. The more I give, the more I receive. I thank the universe for the money that flows to me. I radiate prosperity, money, and wealth. Money is pouring into my life. I release everything blocking my money at this moment. I am wealthy and living on my own terms. Life loves me and contributes to me constantly. I deserve abundance in my life. I forgive myself and set myself free of all limiting beliefs. My bank account is constantly filled with money. There are no limits to the money I can make. The more fun I have, the more money I make. Abundance is everywhere around me. I constantly live in comfort and joy. I release all my fear around money. An abundance of money is flowing into my life right now. I believe anyone can be wealthy, including myself. My wealth comes from being honest and true in everything I do. My life is improving and prosperity is coming to me right now. I will always have everything I need The universe takes excellent care of me. My mind is a powerful magnet for wealth and abundance. I live my life in an abundance of money. My income is constantly increasing. Thank you, universe, for providing me with all the money and wealth I need. I take every great opportunity that comes my way. If others can be wealthy, so can I. Today, no matter where I am, I focus on that which I want to see. All the resources I need are within me. I am abundant, rich, wealthy, deserving, worthy. I love my life and everything it provides me with. Abundance is all around me, in everything. My success is inevitable, and I'm always on the right path.